To use the back adhesive, remove the protective sticker and stick the Flic on a flat surface. You can easily remove the Flic from the surface by twisting it firmly to the right. If you have noticed that the adhesive is no longer strong enough, place the Flic on the corner of a flat surface so part of it is not stuck. Remove the Flic top by twisting the button to the left. Take the bottom cover, which does not have the battery in it, and rinse it off with room temperature water. Slightly rub it and then let it air dry. Once it's dry, put the top of the Flic back on by twisting it to the right, and please mind the hatches. You can now reuse your adhesive as many times as you may need. If you have any questions or concerns, you can always contact us at flic.io.